Today I want to talk about Ohio, not the state. Ohio stands for only handle it once. So that means as you're going through things, you're clearing, you're organizing, you might be clearing out a closet. It could be anything. Try and only touch something once. It's not always possible, I know, but if possible, make a decision the first time you pick something up. So say you're clearing out your closet. You pick something up and your brain goes, oh, I don't know, I really like those pants. Maybe I could fit into them, I don't know. See if you can just touch it that one time. Make a decision and either put it in the keep, donate, sell, trash, recycle bin. So, Ohio, give it a try, only handle it once, see how it goes, let me know what you think.